Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have banked good profit today. Most of my traders bank very good profit today, and let me share with you guys how they banked good profit through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Okay, so EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, and we were short. If we were short from here, by the way, and if you haven't seen my previous analysis video, a link is given in the video description. So yesterday we had a bank beautiful pips, and today we had a counter long trade here, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the resistance level, and then we also had a counter short trade, bank beautiful pips. Moving forward, if the price is going to develop double bottom, possibility of reversal. Otherwise, if the price is going to break, continuation. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you the today's entries and exit. Okay, so in intraday system, as you can see here, price, that's what we're looking this morning. Price developer, if you look at here, inverted head and shoulder pattern. Explain my trade if the price gonna break. Just take a enjoy long counter long trade. Price nicely broken, bank some profit, and after the breakout, beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the previous high in which is the major resistance level in 4-hour, that's what explained my trader it's time to bank some profit. Okay, so in the New York session, as you can see here, explain to my trader wait for the FOMC meeting. So we have price develop in inverted head, head and shoulder pattern. Nicely price broke on this level, beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain my trader it's time to bank some profit. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, we've been short from yesterday, bank beautiful pips. Today in the morning we have this price nicely broken, develop a false breakout. We have a counter long trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target. Then we have also a counter short, you have a short trade here. All right, let me share with you the entries and exits in intraday system. And if you look at the intraday system this morning, as you can see here, exactly same model. EURUSD, price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, reversal, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, you can see here 200 EMA in intraday system and resistance level at the 4-hour chart. Explain my traders time to bank some profit. And let's wait for the New York session. You can see here, explain here, look for pullback. You can see here price did not develop a pullback, and I also mentioned if the price gonna break, just keep taking a pullbacks. We have one breakout pullback just before the FOMC meeting. Explain my trader look for this breakout and bank some profit or look for another breakout. As you can see here, I also mentioned these two levels, high and low. Price nicely broken, beautiful short trade here, bank amazing profit. All right, so dollar CAD. Okay, from yesterday, as you can see here, our bias was long. That was a beautiful trade here. Price could not respect this resistance level, broken, and we were expecting this pullback. So we have taken a pullback. Let me share with you how I analyze in entries. That was a pretty straightforward, beautiful trade here. And dollar CAD, if you look at from this morning, London morning session, I explained to my trader look for pullback at this level around 200 EMA. As you can see here, just around 200 EMA, price developed double bottom here, beautiful breakout, and nicely hit to the profit target, bank some profit. And explain to my trader let's wait for another pullback. As you can see here, once the profit target hit, then I said to my trader look for another pullback at this level and keep taking a pullback. So we have this pullback, and after another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA, explain to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how I analyze market in 4-hour and how I refine entries and exit in our intraday system and help my traders to bank amazing profit every single day. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in Forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader, how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or if you are experienced trader, and I'm pretty sure you have seen this is purely price action trading, and you would enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders, so most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching with this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.